Alright. What map did we get? 2-4.
I don't want to do it.
Hello.
Hi.
What?
Oh, no. Darn it.
The 2 pyros.
Oh shit.
They share a brain cell. Oh my god. I can already tell this is going to be an awful game. 2 fucking pyro players.
Oh, hello. Whoa.
No.
I love your Whoa, I love your cosmetics for engineers.
What is this guy saying?
Steve Balls 1917.
Wait. Run that shit back real
I
quick.
like your skin.
5, 4, 3, 2.
This guy just saying K-Lands.
Y'all have cool skins, the cosmetics for your stuff, and then here is somebody, me, who just chooses to have them become me. Why are you hitting me with a pan?
This guy cannot be like older than 13. Holy shit, that's not
How about instead of hitting me with a pan, you can hit yourself with iron? Cast iron still. I swear to God, if you don't
Shut up,
stop
Braxton.
hitting me,
Shut up, right?
I'm about halfway tempted.
This kid's voice is so
Hey, you know what?
Oh
I'll sneak
man.
over there my way. Like this.
Okay. He says okay. What a beast. My goat.
Danka, camarade.
Oh, he's role playing. He's LARPing. Oh shit. He's LARPing. 4, 5 snipers on our team.
Oh shit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 snipers.
Alright, let's have some fun.
There's 6 snipers on our team.
Who this how? I love your pyro cosmetics.
What do you do? No, wait, hold up. Whoa.
Time to double jump
6
into
snipers
the
and
base
2
and grab
spies.
Time to oh shit!
On the battlements. Make the kindergartners stop talking. Guys,
I did not see a sniper that killed me.
Soldiers are in our base.
Oh shit, that's not good.
Oh my god, this is awful. Oh no. Oh no.
I have bulk.
What did you just say?
Oh shit! I got stuff.
You just standing there. Sexy animal photo. Okay, I misread that. Scary animal photo .jpg or PNG. That's
Well, that was fun.
Is this guy trying to MLG me? I mean, he did kill the other guy, so presumably. Oh, it's a 2v1. Wait, is it a 2v1? I think it might be a 2v1.
I have a question. How do I get Girardi for sniper?
Can you shut the fuck up? Please, just stop. Your voice is so naturally obnoxious. I don't know if that's your actual voice. Or
You're one to talk.
But make it stop, please.
You can just mute him. You can literally just mute him if you don't want to hear him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, his voice is a little annoying.
I'm sorry if my voice is annoying. It's naturally my voice, and I wish I had a voice changer to make
If
it
you're
lower.
sorry, you would stop it. If you were sorry, you would just cease to be speaking.
God, this guy's so fucking
Says the one
rude.
who also
Dude.
has an annoying voice.
now.
I swear,
Fucking animal copy character.
It's his
I
natural
hate you.
voice, leave him alone.
this guy's so out of pocket. He's so out of.
It's not fun.
What was that
Yes,
noise?
the intelligence.
I'm like Alvin the Kid.
What the fuck is he doing?
I'm gonna be heavy.
I need a minute. What was that noise, bro?
Let's go. Chaos, I love your medic skin. It looks awesome.
Fucking
Medic
parasite.
skin. Oh god. I'm seeing stars right now.
How about you shut up
Me
and
and leave him
rock?
alone.
Oh,
That was so creative. That was so fucking... This little spike protein, which is speaking nothing but verbal disease to my ears, just came up with the funniest fucking thing I've ever heard in
Yo,
my
can
life.
you shut the fuck up?
I wasn't attempting to be funny because your breath was already funny enough.
What?
God.
That shit was so bad. That was fucking horrible.
Why do these?
And
Why do
I'm
they?
trying not to be creative.
You're fucking annoying.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Fucking Theodore
How
over
about
here.
we shut up,
Squeaking in my...
clock in, and beanbag out?
Oh. You didn't. I just...
Ta-da.
I need a medic. A medic, please.
And
I need this little
sanity.
fucking preschooler to stop talking.
I swear, this guy sounds like he's 15.
I'm not even in preschool, so good try with your
I'm gonna
insult.
fucking
He's
rape
not
you, I
even in
swear to God.
preschool. What a beast.
Can't
Don't
say
say
that.
that.
He's young. Can't say that shit. That's illegal.
I hope your dad beats you in your life.
This guy's not funny.
Funny thing about dads, I'm fatherless, so enjoy that!
Yeah, I can tell you, little faggot.
God, why is this guy so
Oh,
awful?
funny thing you can tell I'm a faggot, yet you can't tell how annoying your voice is.
Yeah, you did not just say my voice is annoying when you're like speaking like you're in a cartoon. Please die.
At least I sound like I'm in a good cartoon.
Fucking drown.
I have drowned once, so good
Then
try.
you wouldn't be here if you did. You little fucking retake third grade English, please. Context clues.
Soldier.
Hey, I have a better idea. How about you mute me, so that way we can still play the game and I can still talk like I'm having fun.
How about I have a better idea? You stop having fun and you cease to exist. You pathetic little inchworm.
God, why is this guy so fucking awful? He's
Wow,
just being
fun
awful
insults,
just to
fun
be
insults
awful.
Coming from a grown man.
Okay,
Yeah,
that was
if you were
between me.
not a grown man, okay, you're a little fucking parasitic ape, okay? Okay?
The guy who's
I'm at least
I'm
trying to be
speaking
polite here, and then you got this motherfucker.
I don't
who's
care if you're
to
trying to be
stop
polite.
something.
You think I care about being polite? If you were polite, you would stop
Says
talking.
the guy whose name is Risky Balls.
Alright, MDG, go do your fucking taxes, you old ass man. Fucking burn, okay? I hate you and everything you stand for. You disgusting.
Little bro's mad.
I'm at least trying to focus on the
Laugh.
damn game, and here you are
Oh.
trying to sound like a bitch.
Oh, trying to sound like. Oh,
What?
we have the old ass men kicking me now.
Fucking
Get fucked, idiot.
Get fucked, bitch.
yeah, dumbass.
Oh my
For
god.
example, Pootis, good job.
This
Pootis,
little
good
kid is
job.
goated.
You're doing good.
This little kid is goat behavior. Goat material.
Good job to Pootis.
Get this guy and get this guy AMNC
Thank you, Doctor.
HL spy.
Oh crap! I'm out of ammo for my bonk. That's not good.
Ammo for his bonk.
That
What
was
a
not good.
beast.
I made a mess up, but that's okay.
I need someone to lure people to my sticky trap.
Hey Pootis, is your name inspired by the animation that Quasi's did? Like, Pootis?
Yeah.
I think his name is...
Yeah.
There's the
I have the
name.
Pootis plushie. I have the Pootis plushie. Do you have a Pootis plushie?
I-
Yeah, little Pootis.
There's no way this guy's not
I have
using
the
a voice
plush of
changer.
little Pootis. So, enjoy.
It sounds
Yeah,
like a
I do.
voice changer.
And it's funny, cause I... Damn.
It sounds like those.
It was limited edition. Yeah.
I wasn't able to like put it into words at the time, but I wanted to say that their voice sounded kind of like that Timmy Turner voice actress. Voices a male character, actually female. Carry on.
Tin Factory themed
There's a
funeral.
demo. There's a demo night. There's a demo night loose in our base.
There's a demo note loose in our base. You know what? Screw it. I'm going the pyro route and getting him out of our base.
That gives me an
Burn
idea.
it all! Burn it all! I'm about to burn you straight to hell! Burn it all! Time to die!
This guy sounds like a Disney voice actor.
Please stop.
Like, what the fuck? I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Tin factory themed funeral. I love your pyro design.
I literally do not have anything.
I
on
don't
me.
know if I'm saying your username though. Right though. I hate stuttering. I wish.
F2, why are you kicking him?
Why am I getting kicked? I'm not doing anything.
Don't kick my goat.
Whoa, that was so cool though. I am not gonna lie, that was honestly so cool. Yeah, see, that's the fun part about my voice. It's a curse. It is not a blessing. I sound young even though I am older than my voice sounds. It doesn't help that microphones enhance the youngness of my voice. I am... How about we play a game? What's 10 plus 6?
Wait, you're 16?
Yeah,
Liar.
I have my own job at Chuck E. Cheese.
He works at Chuck E. Cheese. What a beast. Oh shit.
Yes.
No.
Also, huh. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Anyone to play a game, a guessing game? So, y'all keep calling me a he in the chat when I'm actually a she.
That's probably
What a
why
beast.
your voice sounds a little high.
I sound like a little boy. It sucks.
On the internet, you're a male until
Did
proven
you guys know
innocent.
I have a scout cosplay?
I really
What
do.
is he going? Damn it. The black box soldier. There's always a black box soldier, I swear. Okay, I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of the shit from the program. Look at this. That's Here Comes the Sun. Sounds perfectly normal, right? Let's hear that in Premiere Pro. It sounds like hell. It sounds like you've gone to hell. Like, what is that? All right.